Science Nerd by John Mora. Step 1. Problem or question. Which strap holder would hold my shingles better, soccer sock tape or a Nike holder? One afternoon, I had a soccer game. During the game, my shingles didn't stay in place. This was very frustrating to me. So I tried to put on the Nike holder I had. Unfortunately, a couple minutes later, it was falling off again. I remembered that I had some tape, so I used it around my both bottom ankles, and it kept my shin guards in place. I came with this idea because of the experience I had during my game. I also saw that there was different materials available at the soccer store I go to. Step 3. 1. I learned that in order to wear soccer tape, the soccer tape has to be the same color of the uniform because it's against regulation. The shin guard has to be very light so it does not slow you down or slide down your leg. The user prefers the bigger side tape because he finds it easier to put on and stay attached. 2. It shows how to wear different kinds of soccer tape and how to see which ones feel more comfortable. And these socks tape are very out of soft PVC materials. And these sock tapes are very flexible that it doesn't stop blood from running through your veins. It also tells me that in order to put them on well and to protect your ankle, you have to put as many tape as you want to protect your ankle and make it tight so nothing would happen when your opponent fouls you or tries to do something slick. 3. It shows how these particular soccer tape are very helpful because some soccer tape are very thick and it can help all soccer players from not getting injured. There's a soccer tape that's called Premier Soccer Tape Goalkeeper Wrap that helps prevent injuries under the goalkeeper's glove. There's a PVC sock tape that helps protect your ankle. Step 3. Hypothesis. I think the soccer sock tape is much better than the Nike strap holder because the soccer tape holder protects the ankle better. I feel this is I feel this because the strap goes around your ankle, but you can add as much tape as you like until you feel comfortable. 2. I feel that the Nike strap is going to move around more because the elastic of the strap will more while you are running, doing drills or even kicking. The sock tape will not have this problem because you can also add more tape to make it tighter. Step 4. Experience. My experience is which strap holder would hold my shin guards better, and I say soccer sock tape would hold my shin guards better, and my goal is to wear both objects to see which is which. The materials you need is a pair of shin guards, a pair of soccer shoes, and a pair of sock tape, and also a pair of Nike strap holder. Step 4. Experience. In order to have a good game on the field, you have to put soccer sock tape to hold your shin guard instead of the Nike strap. I prefer the soccer sock tape because it protects your ankle better than the Nike strap holder. But the thing is you can pull as many tape as you want to tighten it up. In order to do this, you have to see which is which, like the Nike strap holder holds your guards, and the soccer sock tape protects your ankle. I really prefer you choosing the soccer sock tape because you can put as many tape as you want on your ankle, and that's really good. It stops from causing injuries and etc. In order to this, you'll need a pair of shin guards, a pair of soccer cleats, a pair of Nike strap holders, and a pair of soccer tape. This image in the bottom shows how I'm putting on the soccer sock tape on my ankle. Step 4. Experience. So technically I'm showing you guys how I put on the tape. Like I said before, you can put as many tape as you want to protect your ankle and to tighten it up. So when you play a soccer game, you won't be injured. Basically, it helps from not getting injured. Step 5. Analysis. I learned that in order to play a game safe and if you don't want anybody injuring you, put on the soccer sock tape. I say this because it helps all soccer players from getting hurt. I prefer you guys wearing it because it's tape. You can put as many tape as you want until you feel good with it and play strong. 2. The comfort. I put 8 out of 10 for sock tape because it stay on for long and like I said, it protects your ankle. For diarrhea, I rated 5 over 10 because it kept falling and it didn't stay or on for long. I learned that there is a lot different kind of soccer sock tape to put on. There's Premier Soccer sock tape, and that tape is used for goalkeepers to protect their hands. Conclusion: my hypothesis was correct because since I tested out and checked it if the Nike stripe stayed on for long, and it didn't stay on for long, like I said, I was also correct because the Nike straps wasn't comfortable like the soccer sock tape was. Two, I found the answer by testing it out and how testing it out at home and figuring out which one feels better and which one feels better and which one feels more comfortable. Three, I feel I would get all the particular soccer sock tape and test them out and see which one would protect my ankle better. If it was incorrect, I would have got the other soccer sock tape and tested out also and see if it was comfortable. B, if it was correct, I would have gone with the soccer sock tape and tell my friends about it to see which one helped, which has helped them play. It helps them helps it helps me play good.